Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle on or off blood in Crimson Desert. Let's begin by opening the menu. Do so by either for example, pressing down the escape key or the menu key for a moment to actually bring up the last menu and go to others and options, or simply go to this side menu by pressing down the menu key or the escape key and scroll up to go directly to others. From there, make sure to go to options and go to settings. Go to accessibility. From here, look to the display blood setting. Here you can enable or disable the blood in-game. Once you make your choice, hit apply. Hit apply once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.